Exercise number 1, single leg calf raise. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Stand on one leg with the other slightly lifted. Push through the ball of your foot and raise your heel as high as possible. Pause at the top to squeeze the calf, then lower slowly. Exercise number 2, dumbbell lunge. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Hold dumbbells at your sides and step forward. Lower your back knee toward the floor while keeping your chest upright. Push through the front heel to return and switch legs. Exercise number 3, dumbbell step up. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Hold dumbbells and place one foot on a bench or box. Drive through the top heel to stand fully upright. Step down with control and repeat on the other leg. Exercise number 4, dumbbell Romanian deadlift. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Hold dumbbells in front of your thighs. Push hips back with a straight back until you feel a hamstring stretch. Drive hips forward to stand and squeeze the glutes. Exercise number 5, dumbbell goblet squat. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Hold one dumbbell close to your chest. Sit down into a squat keeping your chest up and knees out. Push through your heels to return to standing. Exercise number 6, Bulgarian split squat. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Place one foot behind you on a bench and hold dumbbells. Lower your body straight down until the front thigh is parallel. Push up through the front leg and repeat.